Hey, what's up you all? It's your girl Janelle again, and I am back with another video. And today I'm going to be demonstrating how to achieve this gorgeous lace frontal install. This hair is from I Like Hair, so please do me a favor and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And yeah, let's just get right into the video. First, I'm doing a quick unboxing for you all so you can see exactly what came in the box. Okay, so I know you all are looking at me crazy like, why did this girl got this net over her face like this? But the overall reasoning is because it makes the net way more transparent so that when I actually go to apply my wig, it looks laid to the guys. Like, you're not going to see this lace. It's not going to be peeping and seeping through the lace of my wig, and that is the overall purpose. So I already went ahead and plucked and bleached the knots off of camera. Now you're just seeing me how I do my technique of cutting my baby hairs. I just simply twist it over and then I use my scissors and I clip it. I'm actually going to end up cutting it a little bit more than this, but this is my beginner step. So I am using Care wax stick for the top of the hair. This is what I use when I use my hot comb, and it makes it as flat as possible. I ended up hot combing off camera simply because my hot comb cord wasn't long enough and I didn't have an extension cord. But here I am cutting the hair out in layers because I wanted a layered look. So I used my comb and I cut it on an angle all the way around to create layers in the hair. So these flat irons are from Duvolle. These are the flat irons I'll be using to curl the wig's hair. Feel free to use my discount code Beauty by Janelle on their website. These flat irons get up to a heating temperature of 450. They're really great of a flat iron. I love the fact that it comes with gloves. These flat irons get up to a temperature of 450. That is a really good setting for flat irons. I usually use mine at a temperature of 435, no higher than that. So 450 is a really great temperature, and I highly recommend that you go ahead and use my discount code simply because it gets you 70% off. Like, that's amazing. So once again, go ahead and check out Duvolle flat irons. They also sell facial products as well, so go ahead and check that out. But yeah, these flat irons work really well, so feel free to use my discount code.
Boy, I got five, you know, so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' stop, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, hey, hey, baby, when we gon' slide. If we on the run, nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going dumb. You on the same wave, you the same way. You know I'll be done if it's with you. Where we going, baby, what's the move? We should take a trip up to the moon. Get on, doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, see it's creme brulee. But they gon' say. With the top down, screaming money in the day. And we up till 6 in the morning.
So as you can see, I waited until now to go ahead and press down on the lace simply because I wanted to make sure it was 100% positioned exactly where I wanted it. And as you can see, it is completely laid, like the lace is melting perfectly and it just looks so good.
Nina, fell in love with Christina. Fuck with both of those bitches, but they don't bust her like Nina. It's about to hit up.